Start with a crane base with an A4 size paper. Make a cut here. Do the same to the other side. If you wish to follow my tutorial, you may pause or slow down the video speed. Fold the top tip to the bottom tip. Put this fold based on the crease line. Make a fold from this point to this point. Fold this side to the center. Do the same for the other side. Make a fold around 2 centimeters from the top. Make a fold around 2 centimeters from the tip. Fold this side to the center. Ensure the top side of the triangle is parallel to the top. Do the same for the other side. Continue with a small groove around 0.4 centimeters from that fold. The end result should look like this. Do the same for the other side. Fold this side to the center. Shape the side of the leg so that it is parallel to the center. Do the same for the other side. Fold from this point to this point. Do the same for the other side. Shape this part into Venom's shoulders. shape it with a slight angle from the chest. Do the same for the other side. Fold down to form Venom's arms. Make a fold around 2.5 centimeters from the top. Continue with a small groove around half a centimeter from that fold. Do the same for the other side. Make a fold around 1.5 centimeters from the top of the forearm. Continue with a small groove around half a centimeter from that fold. Make a fold around 1 centimeter from that fold. Straighten the folds and use it as a reference for the other side. Use the pre-crease to shape the arms. Shape this part of Venom's biceps and forearms. Do the same for the other side. Make a fold around 1 centimeter from the tip. Do the same for the other side. Fold in the feet using the pre-crease. This is the neck and head of Venom. Make a fold around 1.5 centimeters from the top of Venom's head. Bring the head and neck down and adjust it to fit the shoulders. Fold in the chin for a more accurate look. Use the crease line as a reference to fold the chin into the head. Make a fold from the top corner to the center. Do the same for the other side. Adjust the neck angle if required. Adjust the leg angle if required. Adjust the arms angle if required. Venom is done. Color Venom and make it your own. Fold the legs for a more 3D effect. Adjust the head and neck so that the shoulder blades are between the head and the neck. Adjust the arms and the legs if required. Extend Venom's hands to make them into claws. Extend Venom's entire arm to make them into blades. Tracking the weapons back to regular arms. Venom's head can be extended also. Draw Eddie Brock's face with it. Switching back to Venom's face.
If you like this video, do help to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This will help to bring my channel to more people.